Tesco's app makes it easy to view your receipts digitally. To check your e-receipts, first ensure you have the latest version of the Tesco app downloaded on your iOS or Android device. Log in using your Tesco account or club card details. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section, then tap either Receipts or Order History. For in-store purchases, make sure you scan your club card at the checkout to link the receipt to your account. Online orders will automatically appear in your order history. Inside the Receipts section, you can view your receipts as interactive lists or PDFs. You can search for specific receipts by product name, date, or total amount. The Order History section provides detailed information about online orders, including order tracking, delivery status, and return options. Tesco's e-receipt system offers several advantages. It supports sustainability by reducing paper waste. As of 2025, Tesco e-receipts have reduced paper usage by an estimated 20% in stores. Smart receipts categorize your purchases like groceries and household items using AI-driven tagging for better spending insights. E-receipts are securely stored and GDPR compliant, ensuring data privacy. You can delete receipts anytime. Tesco's Receipt Recall feature lets you access receipts up to 12 months back. The system integrates with other Tesco services, enabling features like price matching, refunds, and sustainability trackers, showing your purchase's carbon footprint. There's also growing integration with fintech apps like Monzo for automated expense tracking, offering a comprehensive digital wallet experience.